My name is Fleri and I'm Managing Director of Specialist Security Co Ltd. The company was founded in 2001. It began with a limited amount of contracts doing stuff like door work. From there, it sort of branched and moved away from that towards basic security work on construction sites. So we've continued to grow over the last 11 years to where we are now. Business startup can be grown out of necessity or opportunity. These are austere times and there's low employment. So there's a lot of necessity for people to become self-employed. In Wales, I think also the government is helping people and steering them towards self-employment and encouraging them to do that and giving them help with that. So why not do it? Try and get as much support as you can from other local businesses, council, government, your family, your friends. Try and get as much advice from people who've done it before. If you fall down, get up, dust yourself off, start again. Usually when you feel down or feel like throwing the towel in, it's because you're in some kind of conflict or things aren't going your way. And one of the other things that keeps me highly motivated is winning. It's winning the contract or winning the battle that you're currently in. It's achieving, it's getting your goal. It gives you a buzz. You can be on a down, and then something happens and you're lifted again. You're back up there, and that keeps you moving forward because you want that buzz again. Once you create an animal or a beast, like I believe the business is its own beast, its own animal, I'm employing a lot of people, putting food in their families' mouths. So sometimes you may feel like pulling the plug, doing something different, but you owe it to what you've created to keep it going and grow it and further it. I think it's nice to do business with nice people. So I enjoy being Welsh and working with the Welsh. Sense of humour. It's important in business. If you don't laugh, you'll cry. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to be a pioneer, to move forward, to do something, whatever you want to do. Don't be afraid. Don't fear it. Just go for it.